Hey, I'm Vanessa at TheGirlOnABike. I've just got back from an epic road trip in Belgium, and it had me thinking that there's 4 pieces of technology that I use as a biker that I think everybody should know about. So this is a quick fire video to share those 4 pieces of tech, and one of them is something that you probably have never even heard of. So the first one is navigation. Now on a road trip, we all need to know where we've got to go, and there are a lot of navigation systems out there. But I have recently discovered the Beeline system, and it's tiny and is the most user-friendly, easy to use piece of kit I've ever discovered. Comes off the bars effortlessly with a really easy mount that will go on even the most complicated handlebars, such as this bike. It has a screen that is visible in any conditions, whether it's bright sunlight or overcast shadows or the rain. And it is also glove friendly, no more fumbling trying to get to buttons. It has a single navigation point view. It can hook up to your intercom. It also does sounds and bleep vibrations to get your attention so that you know a turn's coming up. It does some really cool features like being able to say, right, I want to go to the Baffle House and I want to do a 40-mile ride today, and it will create a loop. You hook it up to your iPhone, and I got this running in seconds, and there wasn't a single wrong turn. It is just so simple. It's everything that you need to navigate and nothing that you don't need. Takes GPX files and waypoints, and it's just such a simple USB charge, easy to install. You can make it more complicated and wire it into your bike if you want, but it is just the most user-friendly navigation I've ever used, and I didn't have one bit of frustration at it over the whole trip. Right, the second one is the RealRider app, and this is the piece of technology that I think most people will never have even heard about. As riders, we are putting ourselves in some risky positions. We know that statistics on bikes cause accidents sometimes, and this is an app that has collision detection and emergency service alerting. It's got a whole load of algorithms in there to get rid of fake calls, and it's the first app on the market anywhere in the world that integrates into direct 911, 999 emergency services. When you have a collision, it will go through its trigger points to make sure it is a collision, and it will send a file into the ambulance service that's nearest to you with your name, your direction, and your vital information such as medical information, allergies, and that way the ambulances can get to you. And the most important thing is the GPS location, because a lot of the time when you have a crash on a motorbike, your bike's here and you could be 100 meters off over the bank, and it means that they can find you quickly. It is saving lives already and is a piece of kit that really doesn't cost much to have. It runs in your pockets, and I think we should all have it. And I think it won't be long until it's mandatory with our insurance policies, and it just becomes like a helmet. We all have them. Talking of helmets, the third piece of kit is the intercom. I think we should all run them, partly because they are just really fun. You can be social with your friends, but also I think it makes life on a motorcycle a lot easier. You've got music, you can have your navigation talking to you directly into your helmet, just like we're used to in the cars. You can send and receive phone calls, you can ping messages to people hands-free, you can bop along, and I just think they're a really great piece of kit. These ones are the Cardo systems, and I have a mount on multiple helmets with one unit that I switch between. Hooks up to your iPhone, really long, about 13-hour battery life, great piece of kit. The next piece of kit is actually something that I don't carry with me on the motorcycle, so I just happen to have one here, Blue Peter moment, and that is a CTEK charger. The most common fault on a motorcycle, or the most common reason that we don't get to go to a road trip or we have a breakdown, is the battery failing. And the CTEK Power Sport Charger is a very cheap and very easy way to stop that happen. It is a maintenance charger, so you simply plug your bike in every time you come home and it lives on it in the garage, and it enables your battery to be at the optimum health for you anytime that you come to ride. I just have these in the garage and they plug in. They tend to come with a little pigtail that you wire into the battery, and you can hook it up anytime. And these generally will make your battery last 3 times longer, which means you're actually going to save money by buying one, which is pretty important. That's all 4. Wow, it's a good job I can count to 4, isn't it? That's it then. I said it was going to be a quick fire short video. That are 4 pieces of tech that I think all bikers should have and be using. Let me know if there would be a different piece of tech in your top 4, or if you have any questions. I'll pop the links to these 4 different items in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.